Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel where I teach Revit Architecture from grassroots to a pro. This is step-by-step tutorials. You follow me, gradually you'll learn Revit at the tip of an eye. Okay, so on this video we'll continue from where we stopped. Generic models. So very delicate issues that we have been deliberating for weeks now. I've talked on extrusions, I've talked on sweep, and now we're going to talk on the other part of generic models. Okay, before we go in, remember to give me that subscribe button, give me that like, and then give me that comment. Okay, so in continuation, go to architecture, components, and then model in place. So I'll not be going back to what we have discussed. If you missed out on any video, you can go back to that video and watch it so that you can catch up with us. Okay, generic model, okay, continuation, and then here we are. We have blend, revolve, and then sweep, and then void. I'll be showing how it works and then probably how you can be able to apply them if necessary. Okay, so I've talked on extrusion and sweep. So now talk on blend. So blend now is a tool that you can be able to design a two irregular surface that have a two different edge. Okay, for instance now, okay, let me just use a circle now on the ground floor now. Okay, let me use a circle here, and then you click on edit. Okay, let's go back to the center now. Okay, click here. So now, or let me see. Okay, let's give it something like the design of a cup. So when you finish on it now, see what we have it now. See, we're having like a plate here. So for this one, we can be able to extrude, maybe say okay 3 meters now, for instance. Are you seeing what we're having? We're having like a what? A vast or a container. Yes. Stand by. So for instance now, you want to design a simple chair. You can be able to do this and then bring your extrusion and then do a plate on top. Then you can say it's a table. Nobody will argue to you. It's a design. I create a design. That's okay. Let's go back to extrusion now. And then pick a plane. Always remember, you don't want to have it at the ground level. You pick here, then say okay. Instance now. Let's go back to the floor. Let's do this particular. Let's do this particular circle now. Am I clicking circle? Look for the center, for instance, and then I'll give you a sample now. Just something like this. We finish it. Let's see. See? For instance, this is what I want to create. So, say I'm creating something like this. I can claim that okay, this is my table now, and I'll put what I want to put. I can design anything that I want to design. So, this is how it works. Okay, let me. This is how to what? Use sweep. Let's go back again and then create model and then. So the sweep blend can have irregular shape. Irregular shape. Okay, let's use this shape for instance. And then let's come again and use this box. Not finish it. So down to edit now. Click and then let's click on box here. Then for instance, see, can it work like this? So we are having this is 2 meters, so you can see it there. So this is a tool that I don't know how to even describe it. I don't know how to even describe it. You can get any shape you want to touch, what you want to design, sit down, imagine what you want to design, and then use these tools and then create what you want to design. So this is the beauty again. So let's go to create again, and then let's go to revolve now. So revolve, from the word revolving, revolve. So anything you are doing now, like this. So are we seeing revolve? See, if you are a mechanical engineer, you want to draw any part now, it's just like what a hand weight lift, understand, right? So, or a wheel of a car. If you want to do a car now, for instance, you want to do a wheel. So yeah, see how you can be able to do it now. Having this one now. So anything, you just do it halfway. The secret about this particular revolving, the idea and the secret now is just anything you want to design, you have to design it halfway. Anything you want to do halfway. Understand now? You don't have to do it completely, you have to do it halfway now. So if you do it halfway, then it will revolve around. Obviously, so with this you can be able to do so many things with this particular revolve. Okay, let's finish it now. Okay, let's see. Sweep blend is also almost the same thing. You have to look for a part now. Let's see, for instance, let's sketch it now. Then so you have to finish it first, and then you edit profile one after the other. This one. Which shape do you want? Let's do this shape. Stand up. And then finish it. You come to this second. And then you edit the profile. So everything the shapes that I'm creating with this one is a circle, and then this one is a box, and even with the box, this one is not even in the same plane, so but it will follow and it will blend with shape. So you see, I've discussed what sweep blend, discussed what blend, revolve. I've talked on sweep blend. Once again, thank you very much for working with us. Then thank you for giving us your time. Get in with the others, practice, and you make meaning out of what you are learning here. So thank you very much. I hope you really enjoyed this class. A lot of experience and the things have been shown to us. So thank you very much for your time. If you find this class interesting, remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video. So on our next video,